Hey everybody, Alex here with Momentum Charting. Guys, I want to just quickly say I believe that we are sitting here currently right now in this time period, August 2021, in a time period that is absolutely overflowing to the brim with opportunities to long stocks. And I think SPCE space is just another one of those. So if you have not yet done so, jump down below, take 2 seconds, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Over the next couple weeks, couple months, I'm going to introduce you to what I believe are more outstanding opportunities in the stock market, broad markets, everything like that, all your favorite stocks. I do updates on a daily basis. So if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. It's the only way to ensure you do not miss any updates on space in the coming weeks. Guys, let's dive into the chart here. I believe that okay, first of all, we are here on a weekly chart inside of TradingView, and I believe the time period we are about to enter, we are right here, obviously, the 7th of August, 2021. I believe the time period that we are about to enter is very, very closely resembling something like this, something like the time period around November 2nd, 2020, and we are getting set for this nice spike to the upside in prices, and I'm going to show you some more reasons exactly why I believe that to be the case. But just quickly, you can see here, just take a look at the alignment here, kind of broad picture. Just look how we are sitting prices here right on top of this beautiful 50 moving average, pushing to the upside on the weekly, exactly like we were sitting here. I'm about to show you more evidence. Let's take a look at here quickly at the momentum chart. And you can see here, this is the period we were targeting right back here. You can see the levels of momentum are very, very similar, and we are pushing up now off of a big drawdown in price. Here was October 2020, had a drop of, let's just take and see, I don't think it was as big of a drawdown in price, but 30%. So let's see exactly what we got here. Yeah, here was a little bit more, around 44%, so similar. But you can see here, guys, take a look at this daily momentum. This looks like it's just now starting to get a rounded bottom and curling back up, and you can see that accentuated kind of here on the 3-hour momentum, where we've gotten this nice little bottom that's in place here with confirmation to the upside that's already happened around August 4th. So just this last week of trading, and you can see right now the momentum currently accelerating to the upside. So these are the kind of charts that I really do enjoy, because we're trying to gain momentum, positive momentum back to the upside after these big drawdowns in price. So I do really like these, and I'm going to show you some more reasons why I believe we could be sitting on that period, getting ready for a very similar move to what happened here, where prices definitely exceeded the previous peak. So I believe 100% that we are going to be at least targeting these areas back here near the all-time highs. Now whether or not we're able to break those, I don't know, but this is going to be the initial area that I'm targeting here, around $57.47. And let me show you this closer here on the daily chart. Let's see here. You guys can see, oh yeah, let me show you this weekly. Just no, it's not able to be easily seen there, but you can definitely see it on the daily. You can see this nice alignment still on multiple time frames of our dynamic trend right there on the daily. Let's go down to the 1 hour. You guys can see here dynamic trend still in a positive formation here. Looks like we're slowly starting to work up off the bottom. So everything looking really good on all our macro time frames as far as the dynamic trend line. And I definitely wanted to show this to you guys too on a daily time frame. This is really encouraging to me here. So off these tops, off this peak here around June 25th, we got this nice sell-off. And not only have we gotten a reset here in the RSI, but we've got a confirmation here on August 3rd that we are starting to move higher. And you can see that clearly, starting to push back to the upside. On earnings day, it looks like it had a nice spike of, I guess, around 10% and came back some throughout the day. But I'm expecting definitely over the next couple of weeks for prices to be much higher than they are here. Just if we were to get a move similar to what happened even in these zones here from around May 21st to June 29th, so that would be about 5 or so weeks of trading. So that's kind of the timeline that I'm expecting, somewhere between 3 and 5 weeks, and a potential minimum target here of 60+% to the upside. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking at here on SPACE. And I just wanted to show you this. So this is a daily. You can see the dynamic RSI has broken out to the upside, and just look at this nice formation here on the 4-hour as well. You can see this thing starting to just work up really nicely to the upside. So I'm targeting us to break above these levels at 62 and then just start moving, kind of consolidating in these upper zone here for a couple of weeks, which will indeed drive prices higher and higher, just like they did here in May. So guys, that's basically what I'm targeting. It's basically what I'm looking at. Looks like all the momentum signals are on our side. Macro time, dynamic trend line, dynamic RSI, everything looking very favorable, including a 40+% decline in price off these June 28th highs. And you've still got a market overall which is bullish. So I am anticipating definitely within the next month or so higher prices ahead in SPACE. Guys, if you enjoyed this update, do me a quick favor, jump down below, subscribe to the channel, okay? It is going to be the only way to ensure you do not miss a single update on SPACE over the coming weeks, coming months. Really exciting opportunities coming in the market. You're not going to want to miss it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see everybody again shortly on the next SPACE update. Bye for now.